Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from algebra. Here we have x power 4 minus 4x square plus x plus 3 equal to 0. Then it is set to evaluate this sum expression. Let's say this sum is s, x1, x2, x3, x4 are the roots of quartic equation. Now I will use one consideration. Let us say the general form of our denominator in sum, it is 2x minus 1. This we will consider y. So here I can write denominator is y1, denominator is y2 here, denominator is y3, denominator is y4. So I can write here sum s equal to 1 over y1 plus 1 over y2 plus 1 over y3 plus 1 over y4. Now we will take LCM. So I need to write common denominator as the product of all four denominators y1, y2, y3, y4. So in numerators first term place we can write y2, y3, y4 plus y1, y3, y4 plus y1, y2, y4 plus y1, y2, y3. Now if you notice, denominator is product of roots, numerator is sum of roots taken 3 at a time. So the only requirement is we have to find out quartic in y. So let us find out. I will write here y equal to 2x minus 1. Add 1 to both sides, we will be getting y plus 1 equal to 2x. Dividing by 2 both sides, we will be getting y plus 1 over 2 equal to x. Now we have quartic known. Let me write here x power 4 minus 4x square plus x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we are going to plug in x equal to y plus 1 over 2 in our quartic equation. So we are going to write here y plus 1 over 2 whole power 4 minus 4 times y plus 1 over 2 whole square plus y plus 1 over 2, this is x plus 3 equal to 0. Or we can write y plus 1 whole power 4 over 2 power 4. So we can write 16 also minus 4 times y plus 1 whole square over 2 square, which we can write 4 plus y plus 1 over 2 plus 3 equal to 0. Now to get rid of denominators, we need to multiply both sides by 16. So let's multiply by 16 both sides. This side also will multiply by 16. And we will get our equation y plus 1 whole power 4. This 4 and 4 will be over. So 16 times y plus 1 whole square. 16 over 2 will be 8. 8 times y plus 1. And then we have 16 times 3, 48. RHS will be 0. Now we will solve. We will simplify LHS first. Let me write our equation here. Here it is. Now we will use binomial expansion. So we can write this expansion and this expansion. So for power 4 expansion coefficients, if we will write, then 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 we will use here. So let me write y plus 1 whole power 4. We will write here y power 4 with coefficient 1 plus 4 times y cube. So 4 is over. Now with 6 we will write 6y square. This is over, plus 4y. This coefficient is also over. Last coefficient is 1. We will write 1 minus 16 times. Then we can use a plus b whole square formula here. We can write y square plus 2y plus 1. Then we have 8y plus 8. 8y plus 8 plus 48. RHS is 0. Now we will write LHS as y power 4 plus 4y cube plus 6y square plus 4y plus 1 minus 16y square minus 32y minus 16 plus 8y plus 8 plus 48. Let me write 56 equal to 0. Now we will simplify LHS and we will get y power 4 plus 4y cube minus 10y square minus 20y plus 41 equal to 0. So this is our required quartic in y. Now we can use Vieta's method. Easily we can find out sum of roots taken 3 at a time, which was our numerator in required sum expression, and product of roots. So let me write here both the values. Here it is. Now this is the sum which we are going to evaluate. Now this is sum of roots taken 3 at a time, and this is product of roots. So let me write using Vieta's method. We can write y1, y2, y3, y4 product of roots. This is equal to the constant over leading coefficient. Leading coefficient. So I will write this value will be equal to, constant term is 41 as per our quartic equation, which is here, and leading coefficient is 1. The multiplier with y power 4. So this value will be equal to 41. So I can write y1, y2, y3, y4. This is equal to 41. Now we will calculate sum of roots taken 3 at a time, which is our numerator in the required sum expression. So I will write y1, y2, y3 plus y1, y2, y4 plus y1, y3, y4 plus y2, y3, y4. This would be equal to minus of coefficient of y over leading coefficient. Leading coefficient. So I can write this will be equal to minus of minus 20 over 1, which will give us 20. So we are going to get S equal to 20 over 41. Let me write here. S equal to sum of roots taken 3 at a time, 20. Product of roots, 41. So we can write our final sum value would be 20 over 41. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.